Well, hello everyone. So today I just wanted to go over, so right now I'm working on the USAC build, and it's the 68 Dart Hemi. And what I'm doing is I want to show you how to do this, but I'm taking like this Monogram kit right here, and it's the Kyle Petty Peak Antifreeze Pontiac, but honestly it could be any of them because the bases for these, the frame and everything, are pretty much the same for most of them. So what I've done is I've already cut out the inner wheel wells on the Dart, and then I put the frame together fairly, just kind of tacked it all together. I have not put the back. There's another roll bar that goes back here. I'm not sure I'm going to use it. And then the other modification you're going to have to do is, originally this comes down and there's two little pieces to the roll bar right here, and I had to cut that off. And basically all I did was, when I put it on the body, I just traced it off and then cut along this line right here and then glued it here. What that's going to allow me to do is keep the dash and then mount the dashboard with all the gauges from the stock car in it. So I'll show you how well this actually goes together. I mean, I was shocked. So you got to kind of pop these in on the rear, and then what you can do is you line it up. Here's the front suspension, here's going to be the back, and check that out. It's phenomenally well. I'm so shocked how well this works. And like I said, all I've done is that dash won't fit on here, but everything else does work really well. And you can see, once I have this up in there, there's a very slight, you barely see the frame, perfect. The roll bar is tucked up nice. It actually fits the A-pillar really well. And here's the bottom. So I think I will have to trim off this piece right here and probably move it back, or I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. The hood still fits just fine. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, I think it was on Lucas C's channel where he went over some of this on how you could use just about any of these NASCAR bodies, the frames and stuff, for different model kits. You just have to modify them slightly. But I am a little shocked how well this actually fits. So.